Good morning, everyone. My topic is streamlining solid waste management, effective strategy for size reduction. Introduction. Innovative strategy for solid waste management can lead to significant improvements in size reduction and environment impact. This presentation will explore effective approaches for optimizing waste management process. Challenges in waste management. The complexity of waste management system often poses challenges for achieving efficient size reduction. Factors such as diverse waste type and limited resource require tailored solutions. Technology advancements. In cooperative advanced technology like waste to energy conversion and a smart sorting system can significantly enhancing size reduction capabilities. These innovations offer promising solutions for sustainable waste management. Optimizing waste collection. Effective collection methods, including source separations and strategy routing, are essential for maximizing size reduction potential. A streamlined collection process can minimize environmental impact and resource uses. Importance of public awareness. Raising public awareness on waste reduction and recycling play a crucial role in achieving effective size reduction. Education and engagement initiatives can foster a culture of sustainable waste management. Waste to energy conversion. Waste to energy conversion technology offer a viable solution for size reduction by converting waste into valuable energy resource. This approach contributes to both waste management and sustainable energy production. Smart sorting systems. Innovative smart sorting system leverages automation and AI to enhance size reduction by effectively separating recyclable material from waste stream. This system improves recycling rates and reduces landfill waste. Strategy resource allocation. Optimal allocation of resources such as manpower, equipment, and funding is essential for achieving effective size reduction in waste management. Strategy planning and investments are key to sustainable waste solutions. Community engagement initiatives. Engaging the community in waste reduction and recycling initiative fosters a sense of responsibility and participation in achieving effective size reduction. Collaborative efforts can drive positive environmental impact. Monitoring and evaluation. Regular monitoring and evaluation of waste management process are crucial for assessing the effectiveness of size reduction strategy. Data-driven insights enable continued improvement and adoptions. Policy and regular framework. Establishing robust policy and regulation is essential for promoting efficient size reduction in waste management. Clear guidelines and incentives can drive industry compliances and innovation. Future trends in waste management. Emerging trends such as circular economic principle and advanced recycling technology are shaping the future of waste management, offering new opportunity for impactful size reduction strategies. Conclusion. Effective size reduction in solid waste management require a holistic approach encompassing technology innovation, community engagement, and strategic resource allocation. By implementing these strategies, significant progress can be made towards sustainable waste management.